Since we completed the structural works, we are now focusing on completing the MMPF, mechanical, electrical, plumbing and fire protection works, as well as the architectural works inside our building. So Tower 1, we are now working on the facade and installation of the glass and aluminum windows. For interior walls and MMPF works, we are currently working up to the 30th floor. And also, we have started our fit-out works, painting, installation of cabinetries, ceiling works. As you can see, this is them working on the 2-bedroom unit in Tower 1. And this also is ongoing works at Tower 1 studio unit, as well as in the 1-bedroom unit. Also, we are working as well on the IT fit-out of our common areas. Here, as you can see, we have started the fit-out works in our Tower 1 lift lobby at the 6th floor, as well as on the 6th floor hallways. Now for Tower 2, we're also ongoing with our facade works, making good of our facade, sealant application. At the same time, our interior walls and MMPF works are now up to the 38th floor for Tower 2. So sharing some photos of our glass and aluminum work. So currently we're working at 5th to 8th floor in the glass and aluminum installation for our windows. For Tower 3, same, we're also working on the facade works, and architectural and MMPF works are now ongoing from 5th up to the 32nd floor. So for Tower 3, our glass insulation is now at the 10th floor. And for MBQ, we're also doing the making good of our facade, as well as the architectural and MMPF works from 5th floor up to the last floor of our office tower at the 25th floor. So currently, we're working on the MMPF works, such as you can see on the photo, the plumbing lines and MMPF works, electricals at the Tower 4 main office lobby. At the podium area, we're also doing the architectural works inside our storage rooms, inside the offices. And we're currently preparing for the MMPF works and also the IT fit-out works of our fitness gym, clubhouse, basketball court, and also other amenities, indoor and outdoor amenities. We have started as well the installation of the aluminum framing for our glass at the Tower 3 lobby. And we have done the waterproofing works of our swimming pool. So sharing some photo of the 4th floor lap pool, at the same time our 6th floor swimming pool. So for the bridge connecting MPS and MBQ, so we're doing some making good to prepare our bridge for to receive the finishes, architectural finishes in the future. So that is all for MBQ. Now for our site development update. For Road 4B, this is the one adjacent to our MPS. Our Road 4B, we have completed the concreting of our road. So the contractor is now preparing to install the curbs and gutters. And for our boardwalk interim retail, as you can see, our structures are now up. So this is sharing the photo of building A3, one of our 5 retail buildings. Currently, we are working on the beam of the 2nd floor that is in order to ready to receive roofing. And we would just like to share with you a glimpse of the construction happening on site right now. So as you can see, all 5 retail areas are now being constructed. One is on the 2nd floor already, followed by the next floors. You can see we're already doing the backfilling works and the isolation of the structural elements for our buildings. And our contractor is quite ahead in terms of the schedule we're giving them. They're quite really working actively at day and even more active during at night. So we're hoping that we can share more updates with you in the next few months. Thank you very much and good afternoon.
This is Mondani Bay.
Buy Hong Kong land property.
20 hectares, 21 towers.
Can I invite you to our show gallery?